Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A6 Avant All-Road SE. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets with the front and rear parking sensors. At the side of the vehicle we have the 18-inch 5-spoke design all-road alloy wheels with the body coloured all-road styling. Chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof bars, with a privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, with a full power tailgate, LED backlights, and also the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty, and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's also got the details such as the chrome on the tops of the door handles. Inside we have the black Milano leather on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, upgraded full BOSE surround sound with the full black Milano leather on the interior seats, 4-way electronic lumbar support with automatic headlights and wipers, and a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel. The car's also got the technology pack, which includes a coloured display with the maps in the centre of the cockpit, with the extended display in the centre console, again with the navigation maps, Audi multimedia with the extended SD card slots, automatic handbrake with a tiptronic automatic gearbox, and also the white roof lining. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A6 Avant, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.